I am Dr. D. Ramesh, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Chemistry, Government First Aid College, Shimoga. I am going to perform another experiment, that is a conductometric titration of mixture of acids, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid mixture versus sodium hydroxide. So this is the instrument called a conductometer. The requirements are conductometer, conductivity cell, and mixture of acids. Its volume is given at the end of the experiment, and 1 normal sodium hydroxide and microburette. So microburette, and before starting the experiment, first you have to wash the burette with the distilled water, and then rinse the burette with the sodium hydroxide and fill up the sodium hydroxide up to the mark 0, and there is no air bubbles in the burette. Now the burette is ready for using. Now the instrument is in the on position. Then connect this conductivity cell, and first you have to set the instrument and cell constant. Press the button 1, and this is for calibration button. And now the temperature should be at 25 degrees centigrade. So it should show 1. So using this adjusting knob, it should show 1. Now the instrument is ready. Now press this button for measurement and take the mixture of acid. Total volume is given at the end of the titration. So now immerse the conductivity cell, and if it does not show any reading, press the next button. As this is the conductance of the mixture of acid before adding the sodium hydroxide. Note down this conductance in millimoles, 22.2. Now you have to add the sodium hydroxide at a time, 0.5 centimeter. So now 0.5 centimeter cube. Okay, close the burette knob and take out the last drop. Now shake well, few seconds, and record the conductance of the mixture. Now it shows 19.7. Now add another 0.5 ml of sodium hydroxide. Shake well. The reading is decreases 16.5. Now I am going to add another 0.5 cm cube of sodium hydroxide. Reading still decreasing, 13.4. So now it is 10.4. So go on continuing the titration for each addition of 0.5 ml. Note down the conductance. So all these readings are tabulated. So this is the first reading at the 0 sodium hydroxide, 0.5 sodium hydroxide, 1 ml, 1.52. So goes on adding 0.5 sodium hydroxide and measure the conductance value and record this conductance values. So here at this time, so 11.2, 8.4 decreases, 7, and once again increases. So this is one neutralization point, and The second one is goes on here, increases, and 13.5, 13.5, 14, 15.4. Now it is increases. So after the second neutralization point, take the few more readings, 5 to 6 readings, and at the end 23.5. Now you have to stop the titration. Now plot the graph of conductance versus volume of the sodium hydroxide added. So this is the first neutralization point and this is the second neutralization point. So this neutralization point corresponds to hydrochloric acid, because hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, it gets neutralized first, and this point corresponds to the volume of the sodium hydroxide required for the neutralization of the acetic acid. So this volume, that is 2.75, is the volume of sodium hydroxide required to neutralize the hydrochloric acid, and the difference of these two is that is 6.35 is the volume of the sodium hydroxide required to neutralize the acetic acid present in the mixture. Now the calculation part. So this is the shape of the graph like this. This is the V1 and this is the V2. So the calculation part is using the formula N1 N into V of HCl is equivalent to N into V of the sodium hydroxide. So therefore normality of hydrochloric acid is equal to normality into volume of the sodium hydroxide. So this is from the graph, and divided by volume of the mixture. So the mixture volume is 50, that is given by the teacher. So therefore 1 into volume of the sodium hydroxide for the first neutralization, and the divided by 50 gives rise to the normality of the hydrochloric acid, and amount of hydrochloric acid present in a dm cube solution is equal to normality of hydrochloric acid, that is obtained in the above step, multiplied by the equivalent weight of hydrochloric acid, that is 36.5, that is equal to the amount of hydrochloric acid present in the given mixture. Similarly, now how to calculate the amount and normality of the acetic acid by using the formula normality into volume of the acetic acid is equal to mixture, hydrochloric acid and acetic acid mixture is equal to normality into volume of the sodium hydroxide. So therefore normality of acetic acid is equal to normality into V2 sodium hydroxide divided by volume of the mixture of the acid, that is equal to 50. So they will get the normality of the acetic acid. And finally, amount of acetic acid per dm cube is equal to normality of acetic acid obtained in the above step multiplied by the equivalent weight of acetic acid, that is equal to 60, that is equal to so many grams. So that is the experiment, that is the conductometric titration of mixture of acid, acetic acid and HCl versus sodium hydroxide. Thank you all.